Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, 2 students are dead and another one battling for life in hospital following a tragic motor vehicle crash along the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon this morning.
It comes on the heels of another double motor vehicle fatality in Clarendon within the last 24 hours.
And as Kelisha Williams reports, there are renewed appeals for a rural school bus system to be rolled out island-wide.
Family members in distress, onlookers desperately trying to console them. Scenes outside the Maypen Hospital in Clarendon Monday morning. It's the aftermath of a deadly motor vehicle crash along the Bustamante Highway. Latoya Lodge's daughter was among 2 students killed in the crash, while another remains in critical condition.
Can't explain. She's the best. All of them is the best, but I just have a special love for that one.
As she struggled to come to terms with the incident, she told our news team what she heard.
I heard that she was in an accident and the driver was running from transport.
Reports also revealed that the Subaru in which the deceased students were traveling was operating as an illegal taxi, and while trying to evade representatives from the Transport Authority, the driver crashed into this Toyota Probox. However, the police had this to say.
That we cannot confirm. What we know for sure that one of the vehicles was speeding and he may have lost control, and as a result of that collided with the other vehicle. The investigations are in its embryonic stage, and so as soon as we have ascertained further information, we will be sure to pass it on.
We were also told that a few students in the Toyota Probox were also injured. The deceased students attended the Lennon High School in the parish. Representatives from the school also visited the hospital to offer support to the victims' families.
It's a very rough time in the community. And I know if we had a proper bus system, then I am sure we would probably alleviate some of the issues that we are now faced with. We continue to get the support from members of the community. I understand that principals from other schools are presently at the school giving their support.
The students in the rural areas suffer, and this may be one of the challenges that we face. Hence the situation we have before us now, and so we are in mourning. Where the powers be, we are asking, if possible, for a steady school bus system for the rural community, rural students, rural schools.
In the meantime, the driver of the Subaru who fled the scene was nabbed by the police at the Norman Manley International Airport Monday afternoon as he attempted to flee the island. Now, the crash comes less than 24 hours after 2 men were killed in another motor vehicle incident in Lionel Town, Clarendon, Sunday night. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
Meanwhile,